Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to build a new application. This application will take photos from camera, and display it to your mobile phone. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Then select Start New Project. Now let's enter project name. We will call our project, My Photos. Please enter, My Photos in the project name and press OK. Now, you can see the home of your project. A blank screen will appear. Here we will make the design of our application. Now, let's change our screen title. At the right side, you can find Screen Properties. Go to Title Property, and change its value to My Photos. Now we will add an image to our screen, to display the image. From left side palette, select Image. Drag it into your screen. Now, we will resize the image to fit into the mobile screen. Select Image on your screen. From right side Properties, select Width, and then select Fill Parent. Then press OK. From right side Properties, select Height, and then select Fill Parent, also. Then press OK. Now, we will add a button to use it to take the photos. From left side palette, select Button. Drag it into your screen. Now, we will rename the button text, to be Take Photo. Select Button on the screen. From right side Properties, select Text Value. Change the value to be Take Photo. Now we will add Camera component. Drag it to your screen. As you can see, Camera component will not be added to the screen, as it's non-visible component. Now, we are ready to make our blocks. Let's start programming. From left side Blocks, select Button 1. And then select Button 1. Click. Then drag it to Blocks white area. From left side Blocks, select Camera 1. Then select the function Take Picture. Drag it under Button 1. Click. From left side Blocks, select Camera 1. Then select the event, After Picture. Drag it in the Blocks white area. From left side Blocks, select Image 1. Then select Set Image 1. Picture. Drag it under After Picture event. From After Picture event, put the mouse over Image parameter. Select Get Image. Drag it as parameter to Set Image 1. Picture. Now, we are done with our application. Let's run it and enjoy. From your browser, select Connect. Then select AI Companion. A QR code will appear. From your mobile phone, run AI2 Companion. Select Scan QR code, and scan the QR code on your screen. Now your application will appear on your device, and you can run it and enjoy. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.